Restoration Affiliates really gives that a perfect blend of friendship, of relationship, and revenue.
It's awesome to be able to come to these conferences and meet with 26, 27 other highly regarded peers, see what they're doing and learn from each other.
The things that you're going to get out of this organization is worth more, way more than what you're going to pay for it. The amount that you're going to get out of it, though, is what you put into it. If you're looking to join an organization and be part of an organization and put it all in, then you'll get back what you put into it.
We have only been a member about 4 years, and yet we have doubled in size based on RA.
Probably the largest benefit for us has been the connection and being able to talk about best practices, talk about the struggles that all of us face in the industry, and how do we solve those issues.
The real heart of RA is the networking and the collaboration. We're talking about some of the largest, most successful restoration companies in the country coming together to work for the common good of RA and to help each other's businesses. And to me, you just can't beat that.
It's independence. We're working together. There's such a community. There's such a love. We want to see everybody succeed and grow together.
RA is the organization that has enabled us to grow beyond our wildest expectations. I am not disappointed, and I hope you join our team.
When you look at the networks and all the things that are out there, why would you join a network when you can own a network?
We are RA.
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 We are RA.